Hey everyone, welcome to our science series. Today, I'm diving into Newton's laws of motion. These are fundamental principles in physics, and trust me, they're pretty cool. Let's get started. Alright, first up, Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. Simply put, if nothing pushes or pulls on an object, it won't change its state of motion. Imagine a ball just lying still on the ground. It's not going anywhere until someone gives it a kick. And once it's rolling, it'll keep going until something like friction or another force slows it down or stops it. Next up, Newton's second law of motion. This one explains how the velocity of an object changes when it's subjected to an external force. You might know this one by the equation, force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals sine ma. So, what does that mean? Well, the more force you apply to an object, the more it's going to accelerate. And if the object is heavier, you'll need more force to get it to speed up at the same rate. Think about pushing a shopping cart. The harder you push, the faster it goes. But if the cart is full, you'll need to push a lot harder. And finally, we have Newton's third law of motion. This one states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So whenever you exert a force on an object, that object exerts an equal force in the opposite direction. A great example of this is when you jump off a boat. When you push yourself off, the boat moves backward while you move forward. That's the equal and opposite reaction at work. These three laws of motion help us understand how things move and interact in our world. From simple everyday activities to complex engineering feats, Newton's laws are essential in explaining the forces and motions we see all around us. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content. See you next time.